How's it going, guys? And welcome to video 9 of how to create an income online using Facebook ads. Before I jump into this video, I'm just going to recommend my mentor's masterclass. He's the one that's taught me everything I know today about making money online and living the digital lifestyle, working from anywhere in the world with my laptop. So if you're interested in that, or you want to know more about making money online, click the link in the description below and sign up to his free masterclass. Yeah, make sure you attend it, watch it all the way to the end, and let me know what you think once you've watched it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your domain within the Facebook Business Manager. So you should be following along, and this is what your business manager should basically look like. So in the business settings, we need to find the business settings, which again is on the left hand side here. Go to business settings. Yours should look like this. Scroll down to brand safety, go to domains, and you want to add a domain. So what you do is, what your domain is your domain is actually your website address. So this, you just copy this, whatever your website address is, paste it in here. You'll have to get rid of the that and that. Add it. Okay, and it's already verified, so that's awesome. Because in that last step that you watched it, it automatically verified through Shopify. So what I'm gonna do is, you still have to do this anyway. You still have to come in here and do what I just did. So make sure you still follow along and do this. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna, in case it didn't work automatically, I'm gonna show you another way to do it. I'll pick a random website. So I'm just going to show you how to verify your domain if it doesn't work automatically. So come in here, pretend this is your domain if for some reason yours didn't verify automatically. So it's going to come up here as not verified. You want to go to this drop down box and you want to make sure it's on the, yours might not be the top one, but you want to make sure it's on add meta tag to HTML source code. So, and what that is I'll show you how to do that. You just want to copy this bit of code here, and you want to go over to your website. If you're using Shopify, it's very easy. You come to Shopify and you go to online store. Whatever theme you're using, it would be the one at the top. Go to edit code. Go to theme on the left hand side here. And you see this header tag, you want to just go next to that, do one space, and then you want to paste that code in there and then just save it. And this goes the same for if you've got a WordPress site. Head over to the theme. You just Google how to find the theme in your WordPress site, and then just paste it below the header section in your theme. So you should be able to find a video on Google somewhere on how to do this. So once that's pasted in there, save it. Come back, hit verify. I'm not going to do it because that's not my website and that's not going to work, but it might take, sometimes it takes 5 minutes, sometimes it takes 72 hours like it says here. So hit verify. If it doesn't work, come back tomorrow and try it again. That should be fine. So that, guys, is how you verify your domain inside the Facebook Business Manager. Very easily if it does it automatically, but if it doesn't do it automatically, that's how you do it manually. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you about how to set up custom conversions or more standard events on your website. If you're using Shopify, it's very easy. They do it all for you, so you don't have to do a thing. So if you're using Shopify, you can probably even skip the next video. But if you're not using Shopify, you're using a different website, make sure you watch the next video, and I'll show you how to set up standard events on your website. So I'll see you then. Thanks, guys.